Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This is Tariq. Today we are going to learn how to say player in Urdu. Khiladi. If you are male or female, you will pronounce this word khiladi, khiladi, khiladi. काफ दो चश्मी है, लाम अलिफ रे छोटी ये, खिलाड़ी खिलाड़ी। काफ के एच आई एल ए आर आई, खिलाड़ी। The word is खिलाड़ी, player. You are a good player. तुम अच्छे खिलाड़ी हो. You are a good player. तुम अच्छे खिलाड़ी हो. तुम अच्छे खिलाड़ी हो. तुम TUM, तुम अच्छे. ACHEY, अच्छे. खिलाड़ी KHILARI, खिलाड़ी. हो HOON, हो. तुम अच्छे खिलाड़ी हो. Come to original Urdu. तुम तेमीम तुम. अच्छे अलिफ चे दो चश्मी है बड़ी ये, अच्छे. तुम अच्छे खिलाड़ी. काफ दो चश्मी है, लाम अलिफ रे छोटी ये, खिलाड़ी. हो हे वाओ नून गुन्ना, हो. तुम अच्छे खिलाड़ी हो. जाने से पहले एक बात, one thing I want to mention you. If a player is a boy, you have to say this sentence. If player is a boy, a man, or old man, or gentleman, or male, so you have to say तुम अच्छे खिलाड़ी हो. But if the player is a girl, if the player is a girl and you are saying you are a good player, for example, Maria, you are a good player, so you are saying to female. This sentence only you have to say to a girl, to a woman, to a female. Okay, so khiladi is similar. खिलाड़ी. ओके, काफ है लाम अलिफ रे छोटी है, खिलाड़ी. KHILAARI, खिलाड़ी. Now you are a good player. The same sentence in English, the above sentence is same, but in Urdu, if you are saying to a female, so you have to say तुम अच्छी खिलाड़ी हो. तुम अच्छी. The above one अच्छे, that for male, but for female अच्छी. Okay, आछी नहीं, अच्छी. Okay, तुम अच्छी खिलाड़ी हो. TUM, तुम. अच्छी. ACHII, अच्छी. खिलाड़ी. KHILARI, खिलाड़ी. हो HOON, खिलाड़ी हो. तुम अच्छी खिलाड़ी हो. Now let's come to original Urdu. तुम तेमीम तुम. अच्छी अलिफ चे हे छोटी ये, अच्छी. खिलाड़ी. काफ हे लाम अलिफ रे छोटी ये, खिलाड़ी. हो हे वाओ नून गुन्ना, हो. तुम अच्छी खिलाड़ी हो. Make sure this sentence is you are female or male, but it doesn't matter you are male or female. You can use both. You can use both. If you are, for example, if you are female or male, you can say तुम अच्छी खिलाड़ी हो, but you have to say this to female. Okay, but if you are saying this sentence to me, like me, I'm a boy, okay, so I'm a man, so you have to say तुम अच्छे खिलाड़ी हो, because you are pointing me, because I'm a man. But if you are a girl or if you are a boy, it doesn't matter, but you have to say the above one, this one you have to say for male. You use in front of male, in front of male. If you are saying someone that is male, that person is a male, and you are saying you are a good player, so you have to say tum अच्छे खिलाड़ी हो. But if the person is female and she's really a good player, so you have to say you are a good player, तुम अच्छी खिलाड़ी हो. So it depend on the sentence you are going to use for male or female. Okay, so I hope you have understood. If you have any problem in learning Urdu, so you can contact me, you can call me, and you can ask me. I will answer you, and please pray for me, and remember me in your prayer, and don't forget to share this video with your friends, and take care. Bye. Hasta la vista. Ciao. Bye.